the Prince of Glory, the Prince of Peace, El Shaddai, Adonai, Opheka, my healer, my fortress, my shield, my maker, my deliverer. He walked upon the sea. He controls the affairs of life. He is your maker. He is maybe God on your akana bachigwe toyanko unyuku naba nene kelerie noti holu na goli tene wawe be compared with you. You are the biggest never know ya also bawa bawi bawa bawi. You are great, yes, only one. You walked upon the sea, and you rested there. You reign in majesty, mighty one, mighty one. We say everything about you is great. Man of God, thank you. The womb. You must be legally married. Then you can boldly come out. Daddy, I'm trusting the Lord. So no cost, no enlargement of cost. Pastor, what are you saying? If you don't have a height yet, you will not talk about greater height. Sidama, thank you. Greater height had to be seen. If you don't see it, if you don't desire it, you can achieve it. Let me say something here. The chick or the eaglet that begins to meddle with the chicken will not fly at all. If you are an eaglet and the kind of people, the kind of things you associate with, they are chickens, which we call fowls, whether foul spirit. You cannot soar on high. An eagle has to keep the company of eagles to soar. If you begin to meddle with chicks, you cannot soar high. If you hear, say, I hear. Permit me to tell us here this morning, if you want to attain greater height, get ready to lose some weight. The price of greater height cannot be compared with the price you get when you get greater height. So if you want to win the prize, pay the price. Thank you. You are catching it. If you want P-R-I-Z-E, pay P-R-I-C-E. The price you pay to attain greater height cannot be compared with the benefits of the price you get when you attain greater height. If you hear, say, I hear. Let me tell someone that cares to believe and cares to know that for you to attain greater height, get ready to lose some friends. I should say it again. You must be ready to lose some friends if you must get to greater. Not everyone will follow you on high. When Jesus was to climb the mountain, the Bible said, the Kasatilanina Soparadia. When he saw the multitude, he did not meddle with the multitude. The Bible said he went up to the mountain. Multitudes don't follow to greater height. It's only men that sees greater height that can pay the price of greater height, climb, take the risk of greater height. Then when you get to greater height, People will not come to celebrate and clean your shoes.